Welcome to my channel, Urban Locks, you guys. It is your girl Kyra, of course, and today I am back with a retwist video. So it has been about 2.5 months since my last retwist, so let's just go ahead and take a moment here to really get into what's going on in my head and how difficult it was to even get this retwist accomplished. Trust me, it was worth it. I was feeling myself after this, but the during process of this was absolutely crazy. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you are here. Join the family. It is growing so fast and I appreciate you guys so much. I really do. So the best method that I found to actually do separating as least painful as possible and, you know, ripping as much was to actually just kind of, the parts that were super stuck together, just take it piece by piece, like little sections, and just kind of go down the middle and put my fingers in the middle and try my best to just pull apart that way. I also would like to point out that this was after a fresh wash. I had just washed my hair, so please do not pull your hair apart dry. Please. That will create so much more damage, and just don't do that, please. The products that I used, I showed in the very beginning. I actually used almond oil all over my head after, you know, getting out the shower. I didn't put anything else on, just the almond oil. And then actually to retwist, this time I went in with my Talia Waheed, the tight hold gel. And that's all the products that I used. I chose to do rope twist this time. This is actually only my second style that I've done since I've been locked up. December 17th will actually be my 8-month mark. I've only done rope twist or two-string twist, whatever you want to call it. I did it once back in September for my birthday, so this is only the second time. So now with the rope twist, you'll see me have to go back a couple times, because the thing about rope twist or two-string twist is you have to make sure that you're twisting them together in the right direction. And if not, then it'll come directly out. So as you can see here, I'm either going to always pull the bottom lock up and over, or the lock that's on the right side up and over. Because if you do it the other way, what's going to happen is your twist is just going to pretty much unravel itself in a way. Even though you have the rubber band on the end, it's still going to unravel itself. So it took a while for me to actually figure out, you know, which way it actually needs to go. And I still mess up now. Like this one specifically right here, you see how both of the twists are going together. You're going to see me realize that, and I'm going to have to undo it and go the other way. Unfortunately, sometimes I realize after I'd already put the rubber band on, so I like to usually test it, but I guess I was too confident that time, and you see me now switching the direction that they were in. So the bottom one is gonna come up and over. So that's the trick with the rope twist. Just be mindful of which way you're twisting, okay?
I don't wanna do this no more.
I tell y'all one thing, I definitely learned a valuable lesson throughout this. Even though, you know, I don't always have to retwist, and sometimes I just don't want to, I don't feel like it. I've learned that I need to actually go in and separate my roots, my roots on the days, just throughout, like any random days. Like I feel like you should be going through and doing this, you know, I'm not gonna front. I'm not gonna say once a week, because I know I'm not gonna do that. But I will say that I at least need to separate my roots every time I wash, because since my last retwist, I had washed like 2 or 3 times in between, and I just, you know, I would wash my hair and moisturize my hair, and that would be it. I wouldn't do nothing else. I would have a free day. So I've learned that, you know, yes, you can wash without retwisting, but you need to separate these roots, because I can't do this again. I can't do this no more. I can't, because even pulling it apart like that, it hurt my soul, it hurt my heart. There may be a better way to do it, but I don't know. If y'all got some better ways, let me know. So the other thing that I would like to point out as far as how my retwists go, as you can see, I don't have a mirror around me or anything, so I'm not the type that's really big on the neatness of my retwist, so I kind of just do whatever. I can't really see, you know, behind my head obviously, but I just pull apart what feels right and retwist the way that I feel is right. So if you want it to be super neat and you want to make sure that you're pulling apart the proper sections, then of course you should have a mirror by you. But for me, I just am not a person that cares about the neatness as much as some other people may. So the last thing that I would like to add is whenever you are doing your retwist, especially for rope twist styles, you want to make sure that you're not retwisting too tight. I actually did retwist too tight and I had to take them out the next week. So I made it exactly a week with these rope twists, which is great for me. I'm super tender-headed with locks, so that's fine. Just be mindful of how you are retwisting. Try not to do it too tight, okay? But after all the drama, after all the stress, I think this retwist came out great and I am happy with it. And like I said, I learned a valuable lesson, so we're gonna start to do a little bit more separating, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys for the next video.